Hey, hi friends, welcome back to Harsha-edu channel. Uh, Actually, I'm scanning the one website which is a government website from comes to the Andhra Pradesh. I found the vulnerability. The what this vulnerability means is slowness vulnerability. I found this vulnerability on the government website. And before I'm going to dive into more about this one, if you don't subscribe my channel, please subscribe the channel. uh, if you like my content, and please like and share to your friends. Yeah. Okay. Come to the topic, guys. And today I will actually scan and one government website from Andhra Pradesh. I found the vulnerability. The vulnerability is called a slowness. Slowness means it will be become a one. Uh, is a one animal is called a one animal that will be slowly will be walk. That's why we attackers will be assigned this name because of this one. This attack also similarly what that animal did, and this the same at same this vulnerability also will be affected like that only. uh, denial of the service. You hear about this one like a DOS attack. Server will come down because of the many of the users will be at a time login, like lakhs of the users will be logging at a time. The automatically when the multiple of the users will be logging on, the server will be down like that only. This is or the denial of the service. This not that much of the service will be down of the server, but it will be help to you guys to one website will be loading like that only will be happens when we attack this of happens in that server. And I will show you how will be the attack and where you should be explore this vulnerability everything. And before that one, I come to my Linux, and in my Linux you use MS MSF console. It's called Metasploit. Sorry. It will be take a few minutes to load this one. I don't reveal that website name. Just I will show you how attack will be happens and where we explore that vulnerability. That's it. Okay. I don't show you a real IP address of that government website anymore. That will be become a for me a trouble, and you can use that name. Sorry, use. And here is slow slow slurs one. Sorry. What? I think spelling mistakes is here. Let me correct that one. Um, Wait, got it. Hmm. You can see this one. This is the attack we should using now, and just copy this one, copy and use, paste here, show options. You can see denial time is 15 is default, and random union is true. And here we can set the IP address of the target. I don't set any IP address. So now because the IP address is the real IP address, what should I type here means just I'm showing a random IP address. This is my IP address. Yeah, this is my IP address. When I set all this one, you can show options one more time. You can see this is my IP address and port is 18. Okay. And before we see the port is 18, will be the vulnerability and next simply explode. Okay. Explode will be start. Okay. After this explode will be start means that automatically that website will be still loading the okay website will be not work properly. Hope this will be find you and the helpful to you guys further investigation about any cybersecurity related ones.